Hello, I'm going to show you how to make the fish with hot chili oil. I'm using 9 ounces of cod and about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and a little bit salt, sprinkle. And I have about half ounce of green onion and 1 Chinese bed mushroom. You gotta soak in water for 2 hours and wait until they soft. You cut a slice like that. And 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic and a few pieces of red pepper, about 1 ounce of pork and the fish, and I cut it. I slice it, but I won't cut through it because it would be easy to cook through. So I sprinkle some salt in it, both sides. Okay, then I put a little bit some cornstarch in it. So enough to cover it. Okay, that's it. Okay, the hot chili sauce, I using the 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon. I using 5-star anise, but I don't need 5 of them. Only using 2. I just put 2 in it. 2 in it. Okay, and I need half teaspoon of sesame oil. Or half teaspoon. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and few slices, and that's it. So wait until the oil hot. I put some oil in it, but wait until they hot. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oil in it and set on the side. Okay, for the sauce, I'm using 1/4 cup of water and 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then I mix. And I use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of just water in it. So just mix. Okay, I'm gonna set it on the side. Let me check the oil. About ready. I still want to wait until they're more hot. It's not quite ready yet. The oil is pretty hot right now, so I scoop off 1 teaspoon of oil into the peppercorn. Okay, then I set it on the side. I'm gonna put the fish in it. So let them pan fry. Okay, I'm going to turn over another side. Look really nice and golden brown. Okay, this is already done. I'm going to flip it over like this so they're nice and crispy. So let me turn off the scale and remove the fish. Gonna put it right here. Okay, now I'm put about 1 tablespoon oil in it. Okay, I put some ginger in it first. Okay, some garlic. Then I put some pork in it. Put some mushroom and green onion all in it, and the red pepper also. Then I'm gonna put some sauce in it. Some hot pepper in it, and the hot pepper chili. And I'm gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of hot red pepper paste. And I'm gonna put the rest of sauce in it. Cover it until they boil a little bit. Okay, now looks good. I'm going to put the cornstarch water in it so make it thick. Okay, this is all done. Okay, there is fish in hot chili sauce.